The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newton County in southeastern Texas until 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 13 miles northwest of Newton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Leargate by 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, Brickville by 6:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. The main threat from this storm will be quarter-size hail. This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. Move to an interior room such as a closet or bathroom on the lowest floor of your home or business. Do not stand by windows.